which makes science teaching easy and interesting. Its name is Improvised Experiments on Friction. Here, we are going to demonstrate certain experiments. Methods of friction force on different surfaces to find the factors that influence friction. Methods to reduce friction, methods to increase friction. To find out the coefficient of friction on various surfaces. Methods of friction force on different factors that influence the different friction due to coefficient. In our daily life, we can feel various kinds of friction. Like that, compare the friction on different surfaces such as glass, wood, rubber, carpet. Here we are using a wooden block. Its one side is polished and another side is roughened. Firstly, pulling the polished side of wooden block through the glass surface. At time the reading is 0.25 Newton, and in wood, sliding friction is 0.5 Newton, and in rubber, sliding friction is 0.75 Newton, and in carpet, sliding friction is 0.85 Newton. In this experiment, we can understand that when the surface changes, friction also changes. We are going to find the factors that influence the friction. Here, we are using three methods: surface, weight of the body, and surface area. Here, we are pulling the rough surface over the glass. We got 0.35 Newton. The previous experiment, when we use the polished surface, we get 0.25 Newton, and we attached the weight. The friction is increasing, so we get 0.75 Newton. The experiment is changing by surface area. It's a small surface area. Large surface area, we also get 0.25 Newton. In this experiment, we understand that the friction influenced by roughness of the area and weight of the body. Here, the surface area is independent. In our daily life, we have many occasions to reduce friction and to increase friction. Polishing surface, use of lubricant, and use of ball bearings are the methods to reduce friction. From the previous experiment, we can understand that the polished surface, the difference between polished surface and the roughened surface. Here, we are finding the influence of ball bearings. For that, we are pulling the wooden block over the rubber surface. At time, the reading is 0.05 Newton. And the sliding friction of ball bearing on the rubber is 0.05 Newton. From this experiment, we can understand that the frictional force can be reduced by polishing surface and the use of lubricant and use of ball bearing. Roughness of the surface and use of rubber are the methods to increase friction. For that, we are using a wooden block attached with the rubber. The sliding friction of this wooden block on the glass is 0.75 Newton, but the sliding friction of normal wooden block on the glass surface is only 0.5 Newton. From this experiment, we can understand that frictional force can be increased by roughness of the surface and the use of rubber and carpet. Here, we are going to find out the coefficient of friction on various surfaces. Here, we are using glass, rubber, carpet,